What's going on YouTube? Tied back with another video. In today's video, I want to discuss or do an unboxing of my Passport Western Digital 4 terabyte um, external hard drive for my laptop and cell phones. This is going to save your photos here. You can save everything you have. You need more storage for your Xbox. Let's just tilt it here. It'll save that as well. So this is my unboxing. I'll do another review once I hook this thing up. I guess you gotta put passwords in it, and go ahead and send my videos and excuse me, send my videos to this. I'll do another review. But this is on my unboxing. What you get inside that My Passport Western Digital 4 terabyte portable storage. So this is for your storage for your laptop, also for your phones. And I bought it for my cell phone because I have so many photos on my cell phone. So I'm gonna play with it later on and see what we're working with. So go open this up. Open it. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. So here is the cord. Here is the hard drive. And let's see if I can open this thing up. That's plastic. So here's two tabs to pull it open. And here's the instructions here. Here is the hard drive itself. Decent size, not a big size. Here's my remote. So, you know, just some comparison. The thickness of it. It's kind of thick, not too thick, but it's small. It's a small device. It's very small. On plastic up here, and very shiny. So you see my face here, and it's very shiny up top. You can see my face. You see my cell phone. Here's the ports here for plastic to take off. I could have kept it on, but I want to take it off for this review. Yeah, good size. My Passport. I'm looking at it. Yeah, made in Malaysia. And yeah, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's simple, lightweight. All right, here's the power cord that goes into your computer, and this goes in here. This goes in here. One to the computer, and you can upload all your stuff to this hard drive. 4 terabits, a lot of space. Here's the length of the cord. Not super long, but very short. It's pretty much here, and then your laptop here, pretty much. So, yeah, that's what's inside. I will do a follow review. It's already getting smuffs. It's already getting crap on already. I mean, I put down on the table. It's already collecting dust and stuff already. So I should keep the plastic on it. Keep the plastic on it. But this is the Western Digital My Passport. I will have the link in the description below. The 1 gig is 55 and the 2 gig is 60. So you might want to go ahead and get a 2 gig, but I wanted a 4 gig. The 4 gig is $100 for the black. If you want different colors, they go up in price. Like the orange, like 108, 110. They have orange, red, blue, gray, white, and black, and yellow. So different colors. But I got the black because it was the cheapest. It was $100, and yeah, I will do a file review. Excuse me, on this once I get it installed, use it, move my stuff to this hard drive. I'll do a file review on that. But that's the end of my unboxing. Once you get inside the Western Digital My Passport hard drive. Thanks for watching my video. Below the video, I have the link to pick this up. You want to get this for your laptop or cell phones, and take it straight to Amazon to check out. You can check it out by yourself. MyTapSkin.com. Thanks for watching.